In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in WordPress. Whether you're a teacher, a blogger, or a business owner, quizzes can engage your audience in meaningful ways. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you manage your site. If you've ever logged into WordPress before, you know this is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site. They extend functionality and add new features. This step is crucial because the right plugin will make creating quizzes a breeze. Now, in the search bar, type in the name of a quiz plugin. I recommend either Forminator or WP Quiz. Each has unique features that make quiz building simple. Choosing a reliable plugin is important because it ensures your quiz will function smoothly. After finding your chosen plugin, click Install, then Activate. Activation is essential as it makes the plugin ready for use. You'll see a confirmation appear once it's active, letting you know you're on the right track. Next up, head over to the plugin menu, which is usually named after the plugin itself, like Forminator. Here you can access all the settings and options related to your new quiz feature. From there, click on Create New Form or Quiz. This is where the fun begins. You have the opportunity to craft something engaging and interactive for your audience. Now you need to choose the type of quiz you want to create. It could be a personality quiz, a trivia quiz, or a scored quiz. Each type offers a different user experience. Remember, choosing the right type is crucial because it aligns with the goals of your quiz. After selecting the quiz type, it's time to add your questions and answer choices. Think carefully about what you want to ask. The quality of your questions can determine the quiz's effectiveness. If you're creating a scored quiz, be sure to set the correct answers for each question. This will allow your quiz to automatically calculate scores. It's a small step now, but it saves you a lot of time later. With your questions set, customize the results page or outcome messages. Tailoring these messages can enhance the user's experience and provide them with insights based on their answers. Once you're satisfied with the setup, hit Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that the quiz is now ready. The plugin will provide you with a shortcode. This is a small snippet of text that represents your quiz. Copy this shortcode, as you will need it to embed your quiz. Next, paste the shortcode into any page or post where you want the quiz to appear. This action places the quiz on your site for visitors to see and interact with. Finally, publish the page. Once published, your quiz is live and ready for your audience to engage with. Congratulations, you've successfully created a quiz in WordPress. Remember, quizzes can boost engagement and gather valuable insights from your audience. So, feel free to experiment and refine your quizzes to suit your needs. Thanks for watching and happy quizzing!